One of Arncliffe's most stylish homes, 28 Stanley Street, Arncliffe, is proudly offered to the market for the first time in almost 30 years. Located in a family-friendly locale, 28 Stanley Street, Arncliffe, is perfect for couples wishing to downsize through to professional couples with a growing family looking to make new memories. This superb home combines period finishes with savvy design choices, enhancing space, flow and light, and is blessed with grand proportions, a host of traditional details, and a prized double frontage. Once entering the home, you will be impressed with the entrance that has Victorian cornices, high ornate ceilings and stunning timber floors. The kitchen is a delightful space for preparing your meals with its granite bench tops and high-quality cabinetry. It offers ample room for the family, with 3 light-filled and spacious bedrooms spread across the premises. A seamless indoor-outdoor design to the rear emphasises a beautiful private alfresco garden of the oversized entertainer's courtyard, bringing a rare urban oasis to escape. The area features a pond within the gardens, a perfect spot to relax and recharge in your zen environment. This sumptuous residence offers scope to capitalise and further enhance on this envious position. Arncliffe is conveniently located to the city, Brighton Le Sands Beach, and all the cafes which it has to offer, as well as being only moments from both the domestic and international airports. 28 Stanley Street is also only a short stroll from the Arncliffe station. Framed by the convenient location, this residence really offers a rare opportunity. If you would like more information, please contact Michael Kalinovski and Christine Mock.